Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to season or re-season your barbecue pit. All right, so what you have in front of you here is my standard barbecue pit. I want to re-season it for the smoking season. Before you season it, I would recommend you clean it. I like to use these vegetable oil or canola oil cans, aerosol cans. And what you want to do first is make sure that it's nice and empty and clean, no ashes or as much ash off of it as possible. And you just give it a nice light coat of this all over your barbecue pit. And some of you might ask, well, why would you season or re-season a barbecue pit? This is primarily done for the metals that are not as durable, that can rust pretty easily. What this does is it kind of creates a barrier, a moisture barrier, so that you can kind of protect the inside of your smoker and make it last as long as possible. So the next thing you want to do is you want to light it up. What I like to do is I have these grates that I put on the bottom of my barbecue pit, so that the charcoal doesn't sit right on the belly of the barbecue pit. And it also allows me to stick in my fire starter on the bottom. Next thing you want to do is you want to add some of your charcoal. I have this leftover charcoal from the last time I smoked or I did a barbecue. A lot of the products that you see here, I do have a link on the description below, so if you are interested, go ahead and click on that link, and that also helps out my channel as well. The next thing you want to do here is you want to light your barbecue pit. I try not to use lighter fluid as much as possible. Whenever I don't have to, I won't. So I have these, because they're called they're made by Masterbuilt. You just turn them on, and it'll help light your barbecue pit. Put off here to the side. Now, I was a little hesitant at first using these because I thought it would take longer for my charcoal to light up, but I did a little time trial type of thing. When I use lighter fluid, it takes between 20 to 30 minutes for my charcoal to be ready. When I use this, same amount of time, 20 to 30 minutes. Only thing is that you're not using lighter fluid to start it up. I have this little homemade contraption. This is why I like to use this grate on the bottom. It gives me about 1.5 inches from the bottom to be able to have some space on the bottom. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to push this baby in with my contraption. And light it up. So the only other missing piece here is going to be my grate, which I will do once the charcoal gets nice and warm on me. That'll be the last step here in seasoning or re-seasoning your barbecue pit. The next thing I want to do is I want to season my grate. And the way you season a grate, it's pretty much the same way. Just kind of apply a coating to it. You maybe want to do this not there, because this is flammable and that'll happen. So what you might want to do is on the outside, give it a nice little coating. Stick this baby in there. You know what I noticed? Maybe I should spread the charcoal a little bit. Spread it around to have a nice even a good distribution of heat. And you're pretty much set. As far as seasoning or re-seasoning, you want to let this run. So if it's a brand new smoker, you want to let this run for about 4 hours at about 300 to 400 degrees, more or less, to get it all that good stuff ready to go. If it's a re-seasoning, I'd say about after an hour, more or less, you could turn off, I guess, your smoker by closing up all the dampers and the vents, or you can just start cooking on it. But again, benefits of doing this is primarily to keep it from rusting more than anything. But yeah, this has been the Smoking Beer. Do you have any questions or comments? Please leave them down below. But this has been a real quick tutorial on how to season or re-season your barbecue pit or smoker. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.